Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video. We'll be looking at the Temporal Slider tool within MapThat. Before we start, we'll use the Bookmarks tool to zoom to and auto-open an incidence layer in Ashfield. Having chosen the bookmark and press open, the layer is drawn within the map. Clicking on an incident within the map opens a bubble to view their individual attributes. And using the arrow button from the right, we can view the data table, which presents all the details for each incident, including type, day of week, month and year. From the Map Tools menu, let's open the Temporal Slider tool. And in the tool, firstly choose the layer we wish to filter. Then let's choose the issue type, such as fly tipping. Then we have an option to choose day of week, month or year. Having chosen year, let's change the slider and choose 2019. To activate the filter, choose the tick option and the map updates the incidents accordingly. Clicking on a map feature confirms the details in the bubble, and if we open the data table from the right, we can see the records are only fly tipping incidents in 2019 and there are 149 records. Next, let's change the temporal option to be day of week, and this time the time slider allows you to choose any individual day of the week. For example, let's choose Friday. Now ticking to apply this change, the incidents in the map update to show the fly tipping incidents on a Friday. Viewing the data table from the right, again we can check the day of the week and we can see there's 52 records in our map. Next, on the left hand side in our temporal slider, let's tick the option to filter with area search. Let's then choose to go to the area search tool. The area search tool opens and allows us to create a buffer within the map. Let's place a simple point in the map along a road. And let's type a distance in of 250 and set the units to be meters. Once you press tick, this will confirm and create the area. Then when we press the arrow, it will apply the area buffer. Notice in the map the records have been filtered, and in our data table we now have 9 incidents that are fly tipping on a Friday. Let's return to the Temporal Slider tool and change the day of the week to now be Monday. If we then apply the filter to the map, the temporal slider refilters the incidents, and if we check in the data table, we can now see the fly tipping incidents on a Monday that are 250 meters from our point. Each time we make a change, for example, change the day of the week to be Tuesday, once applied, the map incidents are refiltered each time. Finally, we can choose to ignore the area search by unticking the filter with area search and reapplying our filter. The map updates to show incidents outside of the buffer again. If we check their attributes, we can see their fly tipping incidents that occur on a Tuesday. Temporal Slider tool is therefore a great way to apply time, date and geographic filters to any of your map layers.